bro. Hey, for F100 World, we're here in Gainesville, Texas at a TEXOMA F100 Roundup, and here you have a company. What's your name? Introduce yourself.
My name is Drew Hargrove.
What's your company?
I work for Classic Auto-Wear and also
Out of where?
We're out of Capel.
Oh, cool. All right. Yeah. What do you got behind us here?
This is a 1960 F100. It's my personal truck. A little bit about the truck. I've had the truck for about 6 years. Got it factory height, factory everything. I've lowered it, rebuilt a lot of things.
Tell us about the front end. What'd you do on the front end?
Lowering it on the front end, we did a drop axle from SIDS, Nostalgia SIDS up in Oklahoma. SID also reverse side my springs. Took 2 leads out, so it's about as low as you can go on a straight axle. Disc brakes in the front, so it stops really good. It's got a big the disc brakes are from Master Power Brakes. That's another company that we own.
And you said you did spindles?
No, it's the factory spindles.
Factory spindles. That's a really good low drop
Yeah.
for that factory spindles. That's cool. Did you do anything in the interior over here?
No.
Do you mind if I open this?
Yeah, go ahead.
Come around and look at this. Now, he obviously drove it here. It's his freaking day. Is this like your daily driver almost? Yeah, that's the way it is. That's cool.
The interior is factory. The only thing
like
I've
that.
done to it on the inside is I installed our Classic Auto-Wear AC system in it.
Oh, I see that now, yeah. You got to have AC out in Texas,
yeah.
man. I'm telling you. That's
A
cool.
little bit of metal work. Took out the old cut-up door panels.
Yeah.
Found some on eBay and painted them, put them in there. So this is a work in progress. When it's all said and done, it'll be, new carpet, repainted on the interior.
Is this the original seat? Or?
Seat.
Wow, okay. You know what?
Seat will be recovered pretty soon.
I have a 64 myself, and I just like how that step is the
Nice
exact
step.
same, man.
Yeah.
It's funny how just they reuse stuff. I like that. Did you add that?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I'm an old skater. I can't skate anymore.
Hey, I saw some pinstriping. I'm going to mention it on the hood and stuff, but who did your pinstriping?
It's my barber, who's also a pinstriper. His name is Steve. He goes by Straight Razor Steve, and his barbershop is Fender's Barbershop.
Does he do the pinstriping for fun, or is that a company?
He does it, for me and some other people.
That's cool.
He'll make some panels and sell them here and there, but his big business is obviously being a barber.
Take a look at this suspension right here. What you do here? Now, that's a heck of a C-notch, I assume. You were going to bag it? But
Yeah,
what's
so I was
under
going to
there?
bag the truck, so I went ahead and measured and did the C-notch that'll support, the truck being laid out on rocker.
Yeah.
So now that I have it down on a straight axle, I really like it, and I think I'm going to leave it this height and leave
That's
the
cool.
suspension in there. So
What gas tank out of that? Curiosity.
Mustang? Yeah.
That's cool. Oh,
I believe a 65.
that's cool. This is a solid tailgate. Look at this tailgate. Here's the pinstriping too. That's cool, man. I like these. I like this bed. It's like simple. Even when they had them on the slicks,
I like the body style truck. They're very utilitarian. They're very
That's cool.
kind of industrial looking.
Catch the wheels on the way around. We're gonna go up to the front. Check out this pinstripe in here. That's his buddy as well. Now this is your company, and this is too, or that's cool. And say again where you're out of.
Capel, Texas.
And you guys have a website?
Yes, sir.
Wow, look at that. What's your website?
Restomodair.com, classicautowear.com.
That's cool. And you guys do all types of makes and models and stuff?
We do.
Or is it
pretty much-
specific?
Well, no, we do bolt-in systems for most vehicles, all the way up to full custom, anything you want, really. When it
That's
comes to
really
AC.
cool, man. Wow, I like that. You know what I like about your truck? You can use it, you can get it dirty, and it still looks good. And people still look at it, they still talk about it. It's still something to talk about. That's interesting. I like that.
I told you earlier that there's a little bit of a story, so
Oh, yeah. Tell me
getting to
about
the
that.
show this week, I started working on it, and I had a borrowed carburetor on it. I took the carburetor off and I had to give it back, so this week I decided to come to the show. So I got another borrowed carburetor, which was an old Carter off of a 66 Lincoln. Went to put that on and did all the work and everything, and then found out that carburetor was bad.
Really?
So I called my other buddy, who's over here. And
Yeah, he's
I said, don't you have an extra carburetor? He says, yeah. So I drove to his house on Thursday night, got the carburetor, finished putting it all in on Friday, literally drove it around the block, and then I pulled it out of the garage and drove it from Arlington all the way to Gainesville.
So your buddy's holding it over your head that you're here because of him, right?
Well, yeah.
That's as buddies should do, I suppose. That's cool, man.
A little bit about this. The motor is just an old tired 302.
Yeah.
It's got a C6 automatic behind it. Since I've had the truck, obviously AC's been installed. I put a new radiator in it with a new overflow, new battery. It's got a master power, brakes, booster on it, and proportioning valve.
Yeah, you got a proportioning valve, so front disc, rear drum, or
Front, rear disc.
Okay, so yeah, you're rocking a
Our
proportioning
third
valve on
company
that.
is Master Power Brakes.
Okay.
So obviously go to those guys, and,
That's cool.
and they took care of me over there.
A lot of people run proportioning on front disc and rear drum, but you can run proportioning
That's
on
actually a
disc as
disc
well.
disc.
Okay, good. I was going to ask you about that. I'm still learning about that stuff. I don't have rear disc on mine yet, for sure.
They want you do a disc. There's a disc drum,
Yeah.
drum,
Yep.
and then disc. And that's
Block valve. They got fancy names, all that stuff.
And the truck stops really good.
Yeah, right. That's good. Yeah, the booster. I added a booster. Is the best thing ever, man.
But other than that, I haven't really done much else to the truck. This is the engine that was in the truck when I bought it. And we've just been kind of nursing this engine along because I'm building a stroked small block for it. So
Okay.
the motor that will go in it is it'll be a 336, I guess. It's a 331 40 over. I think it's 336, and it'll have a built 4-speed AOD behind it.
Okay.
The rear end's already been rebuilt.
No T5 or anything like that?
Nope.
Now you're
Built
gonna keep it
AOD.
auto?
Yep.
Okay. That's cool.
So my wife can drive it. She likes driving the truck.
I love slamming the gears with those autos, man. They're hard to beat.
My 13-year-old daughter likes driving the truck too. So
Uh-oh, is this going to be her truck?
I don't know.
Like on the weekends?
She really wants a Mustang.
This is an awesome truck, man. Thank you so much for talking to me about it. This is really great. And thank you so much. Appreciate it so much. Hey, guys, I'll talk to you later.